Hello, and how are you doing? This is MK, your Pidgin English coach. Today I want to talk something where it makes sense well. Alright? I want to talk about the phrase, get ready. You no get liver. You no get liver. What that means is you don't have liver. What it does actually means at the end of the day is you don't have the guts. So if you're telling somebody you can't do it, you don't have the guts, you can say you no get liver. You know if you do them, you no get liver. You no even get liver. Another way you can use that phrase is you be liverless man. Means you don't have liver. You're a liverless person. You don't get liver. You dey liverless. You don't get any liver. Liver, you no go do am. You understand? So if you want to tell somebody you don't have the guts, you can't do it. Just say you don't get liver. Leave the matter. You don't get liver. No, you don't get. You be liverless man. Right. So if you want to tell somebody next time you don't have the guts, you can't do it, or if you want to dare somebody, just say you don't get liver. Right. So that's all for today. If you'd like to get to see my other products, my other videos, useful tips, the most comprehensive Pidgin English training or program in the world, click the link in the description box and then you can check that out. So make sure you subscribe and also make sure you share the video. Then if you have any questions, make sure you ask in the comments. No find trouble though where you there. There well. We go see you another time. Bye bye.